Welcome to RV's data conversion. Bankruptcy form filling auto typer software. Bankruptcy data image. 1. Team members convert all bankruptcy images into an Excel sheet. 2. Technical team install Bankruptcy Auto typer software in PC. 3. Upload Excel sheet in Bankruptcy Recovery Auto typer. Maximise Bankruptcy data entry software. Open form filling auto typer. Select the required form in auto typer. Click on the star button and keep the cursor in the first box of bankruptcy software. Bankruptcy Auto form filler starts typing. While typing, don't touch the keyboard or mouse until the full form is completed. After auto typing completed by BK Data Auto Typer, once check all the data and save. Next, open another form and repeat the auto typing procedure. Speed adjustment option also available in BK Data Auto Typer. Auto typer for bankruptcy data. Bankruptcy auto typing tool types like manual typing. Stop typing, start using BPO Services Auto Typer software. Thanks for watching. Contact +91 970 430 5784.